Hey friends, James Clancy here with another tips and tricks video focusing on responsiveness. Today we're going to look into how to make our images rescale and resize properly inside our designs. All right, so I've already ran Locify. Now let's look how this design looks. It's okay. It's responsive, but we want to make it a little bit better. So I'm going to go into the styling responsiveness. I'm just going to click into here. We're going to go through and there's some big padding we're going to remove. And click Save and Done. And now if we look at the booking segment, this whole thing, we're going to change the alignment so that way it center lines, and that looks even better. All right, so the next thing I want to do is go into click on the image, and we're just going to edit that. And we're going to add some properties. So we're going to hit Object, Fit, change it to Contains. We're going to add height, auto. Save and done. Now let's look at how this thing responds. So now the image does stay, we don't zoom it in, it stays a consistent size. But at some point the image gets too small and that looks a little funny. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into edit again. I'm going to click on the image. And this time we are going to add a minimum. All right, and we're going to change that minimum width to about 510 just to see how that looks. Ooh, that looks beautiful. Click Save and Done. And now let's watch as it responds once it switches before it gets too small. Beautiful. Thanks for joining. Hopefully you find this video helpful, and I'll see you next time. Thanks.